Hello everybody, welcome back to another video by DissociaDID. This is going to be an unboxing video. We're finally getting around to doing some more. We never want to open anything without getting our reaction on camera because we feel like if people have put so much effort and time and thought into sending us something real that's like mind-blowing as it is, you guys at least deserve to see our reactions. So this box I half opened in the last unboxing that we did and then the camera cut out, so I stopped. I'm going to continue with this one and then move on to some others. Sweet! Reese's Outrageous Pieces. I think the only person who would eat this would be Jade. Most of us don't like nuts, but Jade really likes nuts, so that'll be interesting. Cookies and cream! I love cookies and cream! These are American chocolates. This is Hershey's. Oh wow! The cutest bracelet! It's so cute. What? Thank you. I'm gonna put that on. Yay. No! No, stay. Please, don't leave me. This pillow has many minds. It's one of our merchy things. I drew it and designed it on paper and then I put it on a pillow and it looks cute. Anyway, Nicole Carson from Canada. Cute box, cute wrapping paper inside the box. I love cute wrapping paper, yes. The cutest box, what? This is the most adorable wrapped gift I think we've ever received. Look at how cute this is. This is adorable. I almost don't want to open it because it's too cute. Oh my god, I feel spoiled right now. Chloe and family. You're trying to break my heart. I'm gonna open this first. Oh my goodness. No. Dear Chloe and family, I hope that you like these little name things I made. These little name art things. Mine's got a little lavender on it. And Nadia's one is beautiful. These are so gorgeous. Kyle has cinnamon sticks. I love how everyone has their own little icon in the bottom. Ruby's got a little guinea pig. Dear Littles, inside the box I've put a few hair bows. I hope you like them. I made them myself. Nicole, thank you. Oh my god. I can't believe that. Oh, whoa. These are gonna be popular. Nicole, you're amazing at this. Love that one. I already know this one's gonna be a particularly large hit because it's purple. Absolutely gonna be appreciated by our littles. Yep, someone's gonna love this. One of our littles just said, that one's my one. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I love it when people get stuff for the little. Thank you, Nicole. I love this. I feel so spoiled. Envelope, nothing written on it. Dear Chloe and the troops. Okay. Aww. That's so sweet. So one of their littles noticed that in a video, Evan, who's a member of our partner system, likes licorice, and Jeremy, their primary protector, wouldn't let him get any. When they asked how she was going to get these sweeties that she's picked out to Evan, she said send them to Chloe and they can share. So guys, to our partner system, next time you come down, we've got some licorice here. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Such a sweet little. Black licorice is Evan's favourite. Just to be clear, Evan's not in our system, they're in our partner system. Loads of black licorice in here. There's like a whole box. Put that right there for when they next visit. Hopefully will be soon. I know that they're coming to stay over winter. Oh man, I'm gonna message them after this. Evan's gonna be thrilled. Here's a big box. Oh my god! From Amber Smith in Georgetown. Okay, Amber, what did you do? This is ridiculous. Oh god. Oh god. I'm never gonna be able to get into it. It's fine. I can do it on my own. There's almost definitely an easier way to do this actually, but oh my god. Come on, I need to know what Amber did. I'm really tempted to say, girl, what'd you do? But I don't know if Amber is a girl or not. Friend, what'd you do? Yes, I'm in. I'm not in. I'm not in. Come. Let me in. Whoa. Okay, so there's a list Are you ready for this? I'm not sure if I am. Hi DissociaDID system, my name is Amber and I live in Kentucky in America. I made a little care package for you guys. In the package I included various toys for the littles, colouring books, a stuffed bunny since Kyle said it was his favourite animal. Kyle loves bunnies, especially lop-eared bunnies. A stuffed unicorn. One of the main things Kentucky is known for is racehorses. I couldn't find a cute toy horse so I just got a unicorn. Close enough, right? Unicorns are actually a big hit with our system. Chalk since springtime is coming back. This was probably sent a while ago, I'm really sorry Amber. An assortment pack of essential oils for relaxation, nail polishes and eyeshadow palette for anyone who wants to experiment. Thank you. Dill pickled chips are a comfort food for me, so hopefully you like them too. Gummy bears, one of my favourite candies. Cookies and cream chocolate bar, another favourite. Bath bombs and bubble bath, because who doesn't love bubble baths? I love bubble baths and we don't have anything like that. Thank you. A couple of my favourite teas, yes. I know American teas probably pale in comparison to English teas, but I hope you enjoy them anyway. Thank you. A hat for Kyle from my college, Eastern Kentucky University. A letter for Kyle, or whoever else would like to read it, because I felt a connection to him after I watched a couple of his videos. I hope these items make you guys smile. Thank you so much. Oh, Kyle's gonna love that. That's such a cool hat. I just saw the price tag. Amber! Why did you do that? Thank you. Oh, this is going to be Kyle's new favourite. I can tell. I can tell. He's very, very, very close. I told you. Ooh. One person front. One person, please. Okay, we've got a Kyle and Chloe Cocon mush. Told you. I told. Did you see how fast we picked that up out of the thing? I don't know why that happened so fast. Lemon Lavender Lane herbal tea. Thank you. I love lemon and I love lavender. Well, Chloe loves lavender and we both like lemon. I like lavender too, to be honest. Thank you. I don't know where to put it. Put it there. Oh, yes. Yes, cherry blossom. Thank you. I feel so spoiled. I got her. Shit, this is a long switch. I'm trying to focus. That was well received. I'm not being sarcastic, thank you. Ooh boy. Okay. It's a Kyle and Chloe mix, which means I should probably read this while I'm around. To me, Kyle. This is so relatable. Babes, I'm so sorry. You do deserve a good life. I'm really glad that our grounding video helped you. Thanks, Amber. Damn, I'm getting emotional. I hope she won't mind me reading just the last bit. She says, Kyle, you've made me determined to change my life for the better. Always know that you guys are making a positive impact on the world and that you have a friend in me. I'm sorry for the things that happened to you. You didn't deserve it, and you are worthy of love. You're worthy of a good life. You deserve to live a good life. What happened was real and it weren't fair. And you're worth more than that. You're more than what happened to you. And this goes to anybody out there as well. You ain't defined by what happened to you. You deserve love. Shit me, this video is going to be heavy. That's a well special letter. I'll be keeping that close to me. Oh, and thank you for the at. Alright, we've had a few switches in this video. We're all a bit emotional now, so I think I'm going to end this one here. Thank you so much for everyone who sent us something. Thank you for opening your hearts to us. And thank you for letting us open ours to you. I hope you all know how loved you are. Even if it feels like there ain't a person in the world who'll listen to your story, please reach out. If you're hurting, please reach out. You're worth that. You deserve to feel good. Don't give up on yourself. Now there's some really high-pitched noise that's just come out of nowhere. Anyway, thank you so much for everyone who sent us something. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching our stuff. And if you want to see more, don't forget to click that bell button, because YouTube has changed some stuff again, and click select all notifications, because that's basically the new subscribe button. YouTube has changed things up on us. So yeah, don't forget to click that bell and click all notifications and subscribe if you want to see more of our stuff. I hope you all have a great day. We love you lots. Take care, everyone. See you later. Lots of love. Bye.